Truman, what are you doing pissing Kili off? Or are you trying to free her? Truman, are you trying to free Kili and let her out of the carrier? Hello. Kili's not happy having Truman on her carrier. Why did you go there, Truman? You're supposed to stay on top of your carrier. Why are you gonna go and bother Kili? Truman, don't rub the lamp unless you want Kili to come out and bite you. Let me get him. Let me get him. Just let me out and I'll get him off my carrier. Meanwhile, dopey Truman's trying to let her out. He doesn't realize what he's got coming if she gets out of the carrier right now. He's lucky that there's no holes in the top that she can bite his feet through the top or he'd be in big trouble. Kili wants out so she can get Truman. Truman thinks it's funny that he can see Kili through the window and she can't bite him back.